So I recently joined this app called Lemon8, and it's basically a mix between Instagram and Pinterest. The fun thing about this app is they actually do challenges that people can complete and get really cool prizes. So this one that I entered is called the Diary Challenge, and that's where you post for 21 days, and at the very end you're able to get your own lemon plushie. So I was able to do the challenge twice, so I was able to get 2 prizes, and then I ended up creating 2 more accounts, so I'm able to get 2 more prizes. The reason behind that is because they have 3 different prizes that you could win, which was a grumpy lemon, you could win a sleepy lemon, or just their normal mascot. And I thought that all of them were so cute, so I wanted to increase my chances of being able to get all of them. So 2 of them came in, so let's see which 2 I got. First package. Okay, so the plushie comes in this plastic bag, and it also has a duster bag on the inside. So this is how the duster looks. It has the Lemon8 written right there, and it has a tie closure. So let's see which one this is. Oh, okay. This is the grumpy one. If you can see his face, he has so much attitude. And if you can see the back, it says Lemon8. And then also, I think, oh, and the feet are colored. So this is the first plushie that I got, and he's so cute. Let's open the next package. So just like that one, it comes in a plastic bag, and it has a duster on the inside to keep the plush safe. Okay, and let's see which one this is. So I got another grumpy one, and he is so cute. He's basically the same as the other one, exactly the same. So I still have 4 more packages that should be coming in soon, but this is the first installment of this video. So for right now, I have 2 grumpy ones, and they're so adorable. So thank you so much to Lemon8 for doing this challenge and letting me win a plushie. So stay tuned for the rest of these videos, because I'm hoping, praying that I get the other versions.